Have you ever built a chicken playground that includes a bird feeder, squirrel feeder, and a retreat getaway from those pesky hawks that want to come and take the chickens? Well, I did. Well, what I did, I hung a post that looked like a gallows, but I hung an old, unused, hanging flower pot and put an upside-down frisbee in there and created a great bird feeder. And all the wood that was used was refurbished from a contractor that did concrete work that no longer used it. But I made a great chicken playground, bird feeder, squirrel feeder, that I get entertainment from watching them enjoy themselves every day, having a great meal, and I get to enjoy watching them out my back patio door.